A cavitation test on ERHARD's test bay. Cavitation is a physical process. Liquids, in our case water, evaporate due to a pressure drop and then liquefy again when the pressure rises. We all know that water evaporates at 100 degrees Celsius, but only at 1 bar atmospheric pressure. If the pressure drops, the boiling point of water drops too. At 0.02 bar pressure, for example, water boils at 18 degrees Celsius. Cavitation, for example, can occur in turbine blades or ships' propellers, but stationary parts are also affected by it. For example, if the cross-section of pipes is suddenly constricted, or if the flow is restricted by a valve. Strong velocity conversions are generally the cause of the pressure changes, which initiate cavitation. In the case of cavitation, the vapor bubbles which form due to a pressure drop implode, recondensing to their liquid state when the pressure rises. The water surrounding the vapor bubbles is accelerated inwards within fractions of a second. Several of the resulting microjets hit the body or pipe wall at very high speed, which causes pressure peaks up to 10,000 bar. Cavitation damage to a shut-off valve used as a control valve. The valve had to be replaced after only a year. This gate valve, which was never completely closed, reached the end of its life after only 3 months. Cavitation can also occur in control valves if they are used under operating conditions different to those at the time of their design. Yet which is the correct valve for your special application? This is where expert advice is needed from ERHARD specialists. Above all, it is important that shut-off valves are not used for control purposes. ERHARD has a large number of high-quality control valves for this. Pure physics makes cavitation unavoidable even in these, but suitable measures reduce it or make it harmless. Special control inserts, for example, ensure that instead of at the body wall, the cavitation takes place in the center of the pipe. It doesn't cause any harm there. Whether shut-off valve or control valve, ERHARD is guaranteed to have the right solution for you, and your ERHARD valve has a long life ahead of it. ERHARD is the worldwide most important manufacturer of water valves, and has been for 140 years. ERHARD supplies valves for all areas of water supply, from the small service connection valve through to valves for power stations, in nominal sizes from DN40 to DN3000. In addition, ERHARD has a wide range of products for wastewater and for large-scale industrial plants. For you, this means well over 20,000 items and the certainty of finding the right product for every application. Innovative products which are continuously developed and tailor-made solutions for special tasks. Ultra-modern production facilities, for example our new coating center seen here. We have our products certified to the strictest test criteria for your safety. No product leaves our works unless we have thoroughly tested it beforehand. As a solution provider, we offer complete solutions instead of just products. from professional technical advice to project planning and startup of your plant, through to competent after-sales service and support. One example of this is our Water for Ankara project. We supplied more than 2,000 valves for the Turkish metropolis's water supply, and within the record time of 120 days. ERHARD's experts were involved during the planning phase. ERHARD guaranteed its customers smooth completion up to the final acceptance inspection. General overhaul of an ERHARD needle valve, in service in Benderfurter Dam since 1967. Dismantling, transport, maintenance and reinstallation of the giant valve with a nominal size of 2 meters, all taken care of by ERHARD service professionals, and guaranteed interruption-free operation of the plant. In the middle of the Austrian Alps is one of the largest pumped storage hydroelectric power stations in the world, Kopswerk 2. The valves installed here are subjected to gigantic loads and stresses. Each second, 76 cubic meters of water flow through the turbines. ERHARD once again proved its role as trailblazer in valve construction, with an especially developed high-pressure needle valve. ERHARD is always there for you, wherever you are. With our worldwide sales and service network, we guarantee professional advice and competent service for valve users in the whole world.